You a few pieces here, thinking about how the program will work. We've defined the arguments up here. We've figured out the text coming from the command line or from an input file. We've handled the random seed argument. We've thought about how we can write a function to choose any one particular character. So here I've just hard-coded it to always return the character, but we want to flip a coin using random choice to decide whether to return the upper or lowercase version. And I've given you a function that will a test for that function called test choose that you can use to iron out what this choose function, how this works. So once this works according to these tests, to this test here, then you should be able to, you cannot directly modify args.text, but you can create a new string from this and using this choose function. And you can use a for loop. You could go back and look at how we've done this type of problem, how we solved this type of problem many times. You can do it with a for loop. Once you've written a for loop and once that passes the test, maybe you try rewriting that as a with a list comprehension, and then maybe you try rewriting it with a map. Just challenge yourself to see what you can do with the language. Use the test suite and use these this unit test to help guide you in writing this. Don't be afraid to refactor your code and try new ways of doing things because you have the test suite to fall back on to make sure that you're always moving in the right direction and that your program actually works completely. So give it a shot, and then I'll talk about the solution here in a minute.